state feedback. We have the system represented by the figure, which is nonlinear due to the fact that I have a sine, which is a nonlinear function. I have two integrators, so my system is of order 2, and I will need two state variables to describe it. The first question is to give the state equation of the system, and then I will have to calculate the equilibrium points. After, I will linearize the system around an equilibrium point that should be taken around x1. x1, this one, should be equal to pi. Then I will check the stability around this equilibrium point. And finally, I will propose a state controller for this system. This is my system. So I have two state variables, and to get the equation of the system, I should compute x.1 and x.2 equal. And here I am only allowed to have x1, the state, x2, and the input u. Okay, nothing else. So for x.1, I have x.1, which is here, x.1, and it is of course equal to x2. So this is why here I have x2. Now x.2 is here, and x.2 is equal to u, which is allowed, plus, so I will have minus, due to the minus here, sine of x1, minus sine of x1, and minus x2. So this corresponds to the state equation of my system, and this is the evolution function f of x and u. So with this, I have something like x dot equal f of x and u, which is a state representation of the system. Oh, this system corresponds to a pendulum, where I can recognize the equation, where the pendulum like this, where here like this, which oscillate like this, and x1 corresponds to this angle, and the angular velocity correspond to x2. So of course, everything has been normalized. It is a normalized model, but just to have an idea, this equilibrium point is quite stable. But I have two equilibrium points when the pendulum is down or when it is up. And when it is up, it corresponds to an unstable equilibrium point. So I will check this, and it corresponds to the question number 2. I have to compute the equilibrium point, and for this I have to solve f of x bar and u bar, and u bar correspond to 0, so equal to 0. And this gives me the equilibrium point. So it means that from this I immediately obtain that x2 bar equals 0. And since u is equal to 0, this one is also equal to 0. I obtain sine of x1 is equal to 0. It means that x1 bar is equal to k p, where k belongs to z. So when k equals 0, the pendulum is down. Where k is equal to 1, the pendulum is up. Now for the question number 3, I consider one of the equilibrium point corresponding to k equal to 1. So the equilibrium point I choose is equal to x bar equal to pi and 0. And I have to linearize the system around the equilibrium point. So for this, I take this function f of xu, and I get that x dot 1, x dot 2 is approximately equal to, so I take the Taylor method of order 1, Taylor expansion of order 1, so it will correspond to f x bar u bar plus a matrix, and this matrix corresponds to the derivative of f with respect to x at point x bar u bar multiply by x minus x bar plus something which corresponds to the derivative of f with respect to u at point x bar u bar multiplied by u minus u bar, so it corresponds to u. So since u is involved in a linear manner, I see that I have 0 and 1 here, 0 and 1. Here for x2 I have 1 due to the fact that I have x2. I will have 0 because there is no occurrence of x1 here. Here I will get, so the derivative of sine is cos, so I will have minus cos of x1 bar, and for x2 I will have minus 1. Since x1 bar is equal to pi, I will obtain, so this is equal to, this is 0. Here for this I will get 0, 1, so minus cos x1 bar, x1 is equal to pi, so I get 1. Here minus 1 multiplied by x1 minus x1 bar is equal to pi. Here x2, because x2 bar is equal to 0, plus 0, 1 times u. X dot 1, x dot 2. This corresponds to A, this corresponds to the matrix B. This is a linearization of my initial system around this point. Now in the exercise I have to study the stability around this point, and for this I have to compute the characteristic polynomial P of S of the system. So for this it is given by determinant of Si minus A, like this. So I will have S 0, 0. So I take the determinant of this, minus A, so 0, 1, 1 minus 1, and this is equal to the determinant of S plus 1 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to S times S plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to S squared plus S excuse me, here it's minus 1, okay, minus 1. So characteristic polynomial is equal to this. So I can compute the roots, but I can immediately see that when s equal to 0, p of s as if I put s here, when s is equal to 0, this corresponds to -1. Okay. Since here I have a 1, the curvature is positive. So it means that p of s will have this shape. Okay. This is p of s. So one root will be negative and one will be positive. As a consequence, since one root is positive, I conclude that the system is unstable. For the question number 3, I have proved that the system is not stable at the equilibrium point that has been chosen. And the last question is to find a state feedback controller of this form to stabilize the system. And the poles will have to be chosen at -1. So this is my system. And with my system, I have to find a controller u equal minus k times x minus x bar. And it is a state feedback, so I assume that I know x. And I will compute u. Of course, I know that this system, which is here, is approximately equal to x dot approximately equal to 0, 1, 1, minus 1, x1 minus pi, x2 plus 0, 1, u. Okay, so for this, for the question number 4, I will have to find k by placing poles. So for this, I solve the determinant of si minus a plus bk is equal, so I want the roots equal to -1, so I take as polynomial s plus 1 square, so the root will be -1. So for this, a is given by this, b is given by this. So I have the determinant of S00S, so this is for Si, minus A, so 0, 1, 1, minus 1, plus Bk, so plus B is 0, 1, K is K1, K2. And this should be equal to s plus 1 square, so it corresponds to s2 plus 2s plus 1. And if I solve this, I will get k1 and k2. So let me do this. This is equivalent to the determinant of s minus 1, k1 minus 1, s plus k2 plus 1, and this should be equal to s2 plus 2s plus 1. This is equivalent to s2, so I compute the determinant, s2 plus s times k2 plus 1 plus k1 minus 1, and it is equal to this polynomial. As a consequence, this should be equal to that, and this to that. By identification, I obtain that K1 is equal to 2 and K2 is equal to 1. So I observe that in general, to solve this kind of equation amounts to solve linear equation. As a consequence, the controller here, I know K, the controller here is U equal to -2 -1 multiplied by x1 minus x1 bar, so it's pi, and x2 minus x2 bar, so it's x2. Which means that u equal to -2 x1 plus 2 pi, so 2 pi here, minus x2. So if I have this controller here, then if I initialize my system around x1 equal to pi, then I will obtain a stable system.